Hi, I'm Gat Caperton, CEO of Gat Creek. I'm here to tell another chapter of sustainability story. This one's about wood. We get beautiful wood out of the Appalachian Mountains. It's a wonderful source of furniture. The big challenge, though, is that they just don't grow trees the same size and shapes as furniture. So the work we have to do here, basically the beginning of our whole process, is cutting boards, cutting the length, cutting the width, and gluing up to get to basically the building blocks to make beautiful furniture. One of the questions people love to ask is like, oh, great. So how much does not become furniture? And oh, great, what do you do with that anyway? Here come the answers. First, about half of what we bring in here as wood becomes furniture. The other half does not. What does it become? Well, I'll tell you. Well, some of it becomes stakes for tomato plants, but that only really helps us in the springtime. The rest of the year, and really for most of our material, it doesn't become a piece of furniture, becomes heat. This is our biomass boiler. It's pretty high-tech stuff. It comes out of Austria, and essentially it takes all of our sawdust and scraps that don't become furniture and turn it into heat. This is a 1.2 million BTU boiler. Essentially, it heats about 90% of our facility, and it does so with all our waste, or all our wood waste. Very efficient, very clean, a whole bunch of controls on it. Really world-class technology to convert what most people would throw away into something that keeps us warm. So it's pretty cool. We've got a whole mess of controls here. So you can kind of see all kinds of detail, how much oxygen's going in, how much fuel's going into the operation, what the temperature of the water coming in and out. This is a nice steady line. It's exactly what you want to see. And here's the whole process graphically. This is actually on a GUI interface. We can run it from anywhere in the world. When we have questions, issues, we can call our buddies, our engineers in Austria. They can tap in and see what's happening, what needs to be refined and done better. So with sustainability, one of the great things you can do is eliminate waste. One thing that's even better is you can take waste and turn it into something productive, like heat. That's what we do here, heating almost the entire facility from something other people would throw away. That's just one of many chapters of our sustainability story.